Today we're looking at the Ego 56 volt brushless cordless 1800 PSI compact pressure washer. Let's check it out. Stop dragging those cords and hoses. It's time to clean with power beyond belief. With the Ego Power Plus 1800 PSI Compact Pressure Washer. The compact design significantly reduces the overall physical weight compared to those traditional clunky pressure washers, making it easy to carry single-handed across the job site. The unit features dedicated onboard storage slots that hold all of your quick connect nozzles, foam cannon and high pressure hose directly on the machine frame, so you don't have to worry about misplacing your accessories. Experience ultimate versatility on the job. You can run fully cordless by drawing from any static water source or plug into mains water for continuous pressure. Instead of cross-threading brass fittings or wasting time twisting plastic collars, the high-pressure hose, siphon hose and short pressure guns snap together with a simple push and click mechanical motion. You can swap from a heavy blasting 15-degree nozzle to a wide 40-degree rinsing nozzle with ease. Dial in your cleaning power with 3 distinct modes: Eco, High and Turbo. The internal O-ring seals are engineered to lock down completely under high pressure, ensuring you don't lose vital flow rate or drop down from that peak 1800 PSI performance. Pick up the Ego Power Plus 1800 PSI pressure washer today. Available in store and online at TradeTools.com. And don't forget to sign up to our weekly Serious Savings email to get all the best deals. Link in bio. So what's your experience with the Ego Power Plus pressure washer? Let us know in the comments.